this snail. What the? What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video pod stake in the Toyota Soarer. That car has to come out. This car hasn't been on the road for over, I'd say, 8 to 10 years. Unfortunately, there are a few issues with the Toyota Soarer. There's oil dripping all around the cam cover gasket. To start off, unlock all the bolts and change the gasket. This snail, with 1Jz's, it's not one, it's two separate gaskets. Genuine, made in Japan. Where are these in here? Aren't they to do with car jacks? And there we go, voila, Toyota, Yamaha, same brand. Right, if you guys look here now, it really is brand new. Genuine Toyota cam belt change. Whoever had this Soarer before us, then a full auxiliary belt, cam belt, water pump change. Six. So I'm actually struggling to get to the back ones. I foot right here, but you can see the oil seeping through each bolt. So that's one out. Look at this, yeah. Look at that. It's a plus. I'm not too sure if that's OEM. The coil pack injectors are Spitfire. I'm not sure if they're stock. The previous owner did not tighten these up. They were quite loose. Look at that. The oil seeping through again. Then accidentally broke it. It basically helps all the vapor come out the engine, and I basically broke it. I think this is the issue. Almost there. Woo! It's not looking that bad, to be honest. Right, look at that all that oil. You can see the sealant's all gone as well. So this is day 5, I believe. This is the rocker cover. Same colour. We thought it was going to be a dark blue. Cam cover bolts. These were £50. We chose blue colour bolts to match the rest of the car. JDM garage these are from. The colour the rocker cover is supposed to be, but I'm not complaining because it's the same colour as the car. So there's 16 of them. 1, 2. So all the bolts are all in. So we'll do the tightening right now. I'm so shocked with how it's looking. So we're going to put all these wires back together. This car is so clean, it's just picking up dust. Right, so we made it back to the unit now, and here she is finally, after many days. Still debating whether to put the fin on or you guys take it off. For the 1Jz owners, let me know as well. Just going to quickly show you. See, it's all open. If the engine gets really hot, it's easier for the car to breathe. Right, let's get this car out. Running good, temperatures are fine, no warning lights, the brakes are pretty tatty. The only issue is turn the steering. The steering's pretty heavy. It's getting better. We're gonna head to a petrol station. am I happy right now. I know it's an auto box, but just that sound of that 1Jz just gives me the thrills. I'm gonna take it easy for now until we get on the highway. I'll put the power steering fluid and now look, there's no noise. It's driving fine now. Yes! Alhamdulillah. You know what? I love this car. It's only been a minute. The first time it's driving on the road since, like I said, probably in 8 years. Look at that. It's sick. 8 years ago, it was a drag strip car, race number T276, York Raceway, up north, run what you brung. I love saying it needed a bit of work, it needed a tune, and that's exactly what we did. It's running on Mega Squirt ECU MX 3.0 right there. There's also a screamer pipe that needs to be welded onto the car. So just the bits and bobs, but mechanically we've got it up and running. See? Oh, jeez. I only put my foot down slowly, but the minute you put your foot down a bit quicker, it changes gear fast. The torque is crazy on this. Wow, it sounds so good. A bit of purples and the exhaust. I can't get enough of this. I honestly can't wait to give it. I don't know whether it will beat the S3. Brakes are pretty good. What the hell was that? Sorry, my voice is gone because I'm not feeling well. It's a Peugeot sign. Excuse me. Yeah. Nice. Okay. This car's been tuned on an automatic box. These boxes can handle 400 brake horsepower. It's at its limit. You're gonna need a cooler to cool the gearbox down. At the moment, we haven't got a cooler. We have got this tuned near 400 brake horsepower. It's running between 350 400. So yeah, take it easy. I can feel the back end just coming out when I'm going fast. So it was a drag strip car, so you don't really need coilovers as much. And because it's automatic, you don't have to, you won't launch, the car won't. Right, we're literally by the MOT station, so we're gonna get the car in. Alright, here we are. It suits the car with the colour. The radiator I might change in the future. It doesn't need a thermostat change, it doesn't need a radiator flush. Apart from that, it's all good. I might change the rims. They are Toyota Supra rims. The car is clean underneath. I mean, it's so good. It's spotless. I was tempted to sell this car, but because of how clean it is, I just feel like just keeping this car forever. We do need a body kit. Soarer with a full body kit just looks amazing. It's got a Alfa Romeo spoiler which we need to take off. I just want to mention MOT Test Centre, Evelyn Road. They open till 10 AM till 7 PM. So a lot of garages close at 4, 5 o'clock. I basically come here for all my MOT and all my modified cars. Big fat Pajero next to the Soarer. Similar to the truck that we got, the Mitsubishi L200. But this is an import from Japan. MOT pass. I'm just so happy with that. The steering is quite big, that can do with the change. To end this video, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Look after your family, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys next video. Farewell, dear Hoodstigs.